Hello guys, I welcome you to my channel Lenzel Graphics and Multimedia. My name is Rafi Yako, and this channel content has to do with CorelDRAW, Adobe Illustrator, and Photoshop. If you visit my channel, all you have to do is to make sure you click on videos. And when you click on video, you'll be able to see my present and past tutorial in CorelDRAW, Photoshop, and Adobe Illustrator. So all you have to do is to scroll down and see my tutorial. All these tutorials have been made for basic to advanced in CorelDRAW, Adobe Photoshop, and Adobe Illustrator. All you have to do is to watch the video, learn one or two things, and if you have any question as far as my tutorial is concerned, put your question in the comment section down below. And also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel when you visit. So let's get the tutorial started. Welcome back guys, I welcome you to my Corel F7 tutorial for beginner day 10. This day 10 tutorial, I'm going to talk about how you can save your CorelDRAW file in different formats, and also how you can save your CorelDRAW file in different version of CorelDRAW. Okay, that's the logic we're going to teach you today. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is that I'm going to make use of the shape. So I will draw the rectangle like this, then I'll apply the color. So let's say for instance, I'll press B to centralize. So you can just add some text. Add how to save Corel file, different formats. Okay, so I'll press B to centralize it. So I can apply the color. Okay, now. So I'm going to save this particular simple graphics here. So all you have to do is to go to File. You click on File. You're going to see a drop down information at this point here. This is where you click Save As. So when you click on Save As, it's going to console this window here. Then this is where you determine where you're going to save your file. So I'm going to save it on the desktop. So let me save it on the desktop, then I will come here and type the file name here. So we call this one example file. Then having done that, then you click on Save. So we're going to have something like this from down below here. This is simply this. Something is saving under the background. Once the icon is disappeared, that means your file has been saved in Corel file. So you can click confirm and see when we are done with the save. So one other thing another format is that we can go back to our file again and choose Save As. Now, from this place here, we can click on this Save File as Type. This is another different form of format we can save our CorelDRAW file. So this time now, we're going to save as PDF. Then we can save. So everything is going to save in our desktop. So just going to pop up. All you have to do is to make sure you check the document. And make sure you come here and check your compatibility. So I'm okay, I'm good with 4.0 Acrobat, then I'll click on Save. Click on OK. Now your file is saved under the background, you just have an icon like this. So this simply means that something is saved under the background. Okay. Let's quickly look at another file format, CorelDRAW. So we're still going to the same process. Go to File, then Save As. So select from this point here. Now you can select Adobe Illustrator. This simply means that you can save your Corel file in Adobe Illustrator and save. So the dialog box here is going to come so everything looks good. You don't need to touch anything. You can only come here and check if you have Adobe Illustrator fashion file. And so you can select here. Maybe you have Illustrator 10 or you have Illustrator 9.0, so you need to select the version of Adobe Illustrator you would like to open the file. Okay, so I'm using CS5 Illustrator. Then I'll click OK. That's been saved. So one other way you can save your Corel file is in the JPEG file format, PNG file format. So before I will do that, I would like to take this my 10-day again. I'll just delete it here. Then I'll go to my menu bar here. This icon simply means export, or you press Ctrl E on your keyboard to export the file. On this icon. So this is going to come up here. Then from here I will type my stuff still the same process. So the sample. So this time around I have JPEG default already and I'll click on export. So one thing about export format is that it's going to capture everything in CorelDRAW. So you can see it here. To capture my outside work area. So if you are to export your file in CorelDRAW in JPEG, just make sure that you don't have anything outside your Corel work area. So you need to capture everything in the working area. Right? So you come here from the costume here. Make sure you increase your costume to highest. Since you're going to have higher resolution of JPEG graphics. So you make sure that this particular point here is 100% and the blunts remain 0. It's very much important. Once you are done with all the settings, you click on OK. So everything is going to save as JPEG. So now you want to export your file PNG file format. All you have to do is to go back to the export icon. Click on export icon. So the same dialog box here is going to come up from this point here. Select from this point and look for PNG file format. So this is PNG file format for table network graphics. Then you click on export. So now this is high quality PNG file format. CorelDRAW is not going to have a background. So like I said earlier, if you are exporting your file, make sure that you don't have anything in Corel outside work area, so you need to capture everything you have in your space. Okay, so this is high quality PNG, no background. Then once everything comes up like this, you don't need to click on any other thing that come down below here and click on this. Okay, so very good last thing I will teach you how you save your Corel file in different format for X7 is that if you have a Corel X3, X2, X4 and you want to save, you make your design in Corel X7 and you would like to open it in Corel X3, X4, you need to make sure that you set your format, you set your fashion in a way that you can open it in Corel X3 and X4 or X5. Right? So what we're going to do now is to go to File. Then we'll click on Save As. Now we can still save the name as, we can save this one as Corel X3. This is just an example. So to save as Corel X3 format. So you have to come down below here. You see where you have version here. This is where you click on this icon and select X3. Or if you don't, if you have X7, X8, N9, and so on and so forth, you can save it in X17. Or if you like to open it in a fashion that is not higher than the fashion we used to make your design. So it is highly recommended you step it down to the lower version. It's not going to affect the quality of graphics, right? So you can save. Because here is going to observe something like this. Okay. We can quickly confirm all our saved file documents in desktop. So here we go. This is the correct file. And this is example PDF file. This is Illustrator file. This is JPEG file. And this is PNG file. And this is Corel X3 version file. Alright? So everything has been saved, and this is how you save your Corel file format, CorelDRAW graphics in different file formats. So if you enjoyed this video, please click like button, and also don't forget to visit my channel for more interesting videos in CorelDRAW, Adobe Illustrator, Adobe Photoshop. Whenever you visit the channel, click on the video, watch one or two videos. Have any question, put your question in the comment section down below. Thank you for watching the video from the beginning to the end. See you soon.